Well, hi, welcome to Slippery Garage. We're back again with the Gold Wing. We're not sure what we're going to do with it yet. I'm also not sure if I actually gave you guys like a proper what this thing is. It's a 76 Honda Gold Wing, technically a Honda GL 1000 that I found rotting, sunk into the dirt, rotting into the weeds. In the last episode, you saw us kind of hose it down with a pressure washer. You know, try and get some of the. This is a good battery. I think I'll be able to reuse that. It'll be fine. You know, sunk into the dirt. Pressure washed it real fast. Threw it up onto the lift, and then me and my buddy Austin, we've just been kind of going around, hosing anything down that looks like, you know, could use some libation. And it doesn't look so bad until you actually look at it. Like this is, you know, supposed to, it's supposed to be up there. So everything is here. It's just a matter of whether or not everything is happy. Like that's supposed to move. It doesn't. So I think the game plan for today is to tear off all the garbage that doesn't need to be there. Take off all the stuff that makes it an old man bike. Front fairing, the rear saddlebags. What? Rear saddlebags, the trunk, maybe the front fairing depending on how rough it gets. And just kind of get weight reduction. It's a race bike.
Make it go fast.
Yeah, make it go fast, even though we don't even know if it runs yet. But taking all that junk off of there is gonna make it a little bit better, I think.
It'll run.
It'll give us room to actually do the thing. I cannot wait for that kit to show up.
Solid.
Well, yeah. Well, it's especially. I lost the keys. No, I didn't. They're up there.
They should be in the. Yeah, that one. Oh.
Well, how do you? Oh,
You gotta wiggle it.
you gotta wiggle it.
I think this is gonna be a game of wiggling.
So yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Of course. You gotta have a bigger pry bar than that in the toolbox.
I did, but I left it in Lincoln. Yeah.
That really sucks.
Yeah.
Bend, squish.
Right.
Surprised you haven't started kicking that thing.
Well, I'm just, you know.
It's a matter of whether or not you get the leg up that high.
Fact. Well, junk. But you know what's not junk?
That guy's halfway off. Oh, more than halfway. Hold on, I'm gonna just finish this real quick. There's a wire that was connected to that. That's gone now.
It's fine. It's fine.
Are we getting tired yet?
No, we're married. Wow!
That's a good solid kick. Should get that out of the way. Oh, it's moving. Hey! Well, there you have it.
That's just...
There's the easy part.
It's yeah. Oh, there's so many. There's wires and...
Yeah, that one broke when I
What's
ripped
this?
off the... That came off the top.
That's fine.
Yeah, no, I wasn't worried about it.
Right here. Last time this thing was stickered, 1994.
Well, I wasn't even alive.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not.
Where were you born?
99, buddy.
You were born in 99?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sexy.
Yeah. Where's the old people walker? There it is. It's my that's my tripod roller. You're laughing, but I'm serious.
Hi, this is Rich, the guy that made the video. I am using some compressed air to go ahead and blow out all the dirt that's in the spark plug holes and the shmoo and leaves and just general gook. If you don't do this, you won't be able to actually get the socket onto the spark plug. It'll ruin everything. No spoilers. Right here, I'm just showing you what it looks like now that all the gook is out. Still doesn't look that great.
Little update. I don't know what video it's going to make it into, but it's going to make it into a video. So, Goldwing stripped down. As far as, you know, everything that makes the Goldwing, i.e. front fairing, gone. You know, the trunk and the saddlebags, gone. We actually finally decided to dive into the engine part of it. That broke one. Yeah.
There's also a good one and a rusty one.
Yeah, we're gonna ignore those. We went ahead and just broke a spark plug off right in the head, so we're gonna have to deal with that. And then another one of the spark plugs, there's so much rust on it, makes me feel like this engine might be smoked. I don't know, because I haven't torn it apart yet, but
it also won't turn over.
It also will not turn over via the kick, which is this right here. It just...
Hey, watch my beer.
Kick don't move. So we might be rebuilding an engine, which is not what I wanted to do on the first bike. I don't know what video this is going into, but it's going to go into a video. So here we are. Thanks. Hi guys, this is post-edit, Rich. Right off the hop, I want to apologize for the lighting here in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and actually I have lighting in the mail to try and fix that. That's actually going to be the next video because I don't want to film another video with that quality of lighting. Gross. 2, I'm hoping that all the time lapse in this video all worked out, so here's hoping I get to say good job, you know, then Rich. I guess 3, I don't know if there is a 3, there might be a 3. I have tools also in the mail to pull that broken plug out of the bike. Also, during filming, I was just so mad about that about that plug. I forgot to film any kind of an outro for you guys, and I feel bad for that, because if you took the time to actually watch this video, you should at least be thanked. So, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for following along. Let me know in the comments how I can make the video better. I've never edited videos before this whole show. I can't say it. So I'm trying to get better at it. So quick recap, new lighting on the way, tool in the mail. Thank you. Please subscribe for me, please like. I guess the YouTube, there's an algorithm. I don't know, but it's there, I guess. Thanks guys, and be good to each other.